In one of my consulting calls, isang BPO worker ang kausap ko. Sabi sa akin, Coach, yung iced coffee ko, hindi yan tungkol sa kape. Yan ang escape ko. Kahit 15 minutes lang, tapos balik ulit daw sa cubicle o sa shift niya. In one line, she captured what's happening to millions of Filipinos employees right now. Hindi mo problema ang kape or iced coffee. Ang pagkakape mo, sintomas yan. Pansinin mo, the whole day may nag-uutos sa'yo. Yung boss mo, may agenda. Yung commute mo, may sariling oras yan. Yung utang mo, may due date. Yung family mo, may inaasahan din sa'yo. So only 1 hour in your entire day na ikaw mismo ang pumili. At yun ang pagbili mo ng iced coffee. So it's not about caffeine. It's about control. You see, maraming financial advisors, they're telling you, oh, cut down yung iced coffee mo and you will get rich. Yung latte factor daw. Magtipid ka, ipunin mo yung 120 pesos mo. Well, they're wrong. I mean, the math is not wrong, but the interpretation is. They don't understand what you're actually buying. Hindi ka bumibili ng iced coffee. You are buying few minutes where you, hindi yung mga nag-uutos sa'yo, are the one in charge. So those people lecturing nagsasabing, huwag kang magkape, mag-ipong ka. Baka dahil hindi sila nagtrabaho sa opisinang pati pag-ihi mo ay monitor ng boss mo. Yes, my friend, nagtrabaho din ako dati sa call center na merong aux time. Maraming financial gurus hindi nila alam yung pakiramdam ng buong araw nang wala kang control. Their intentions are good, but their advice is wrong.